Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add social accounts in your Codecademy account. First of all, open up the preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on Enter. You'll be directed to the official page of Codecademy. Also, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top navigation bar, under your profile section, click on it. Then you will see Account Plus Billing option. Click on that option. Now at the left hand side of the screen, you can see Link Account tab. Click on it and you will see various options here. If you want to link your Google account, click on this button here. Or you can also link your Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, LinkedIn and Apple account. Just click on the respective buttons here. After that, you need to log in using your account. Here you can use your iCloud account to log in and link it to Codecademy. All the steps for these are same. So that is how you can add social accounts in your Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.